you, they were loud. Ladies and gentlemen, this would be a cold start, which means the saw is in the off position, sitting on the ground. Their hands are going to be on top of that saw log. When I say go, they reach down, fire up that saw, cut 3 discs. 3 discs. Down, up, back down again. First guy with 3 on the ground wins the point. Camp 13, let's hear it for Chester. Camp number 9, how many want to see Carson tie this thing up for you? You can cheer them on as loud as you want. Something tells me they're not going to hear you anyway. Sawyer's ready. Hands on the log, gentlemen. 3 cuts. 1, 2, go! Camp number 9. Camp number 9.